this is my first video, and I am Paris, or Forever Paris MUA. That's my YouTube channel, or Brazy, whichever you want to call me. I got a bunch of names, but you know what? Finally finna do this video. So the video that I'm going to do today is a makeup look, a makeup tutorial. Really like a holiday look, like a Christmas look. It's like a date night when you want to be with your boo, your shorty, whatever, your mans. This look. This the look for you. This the video you need to be watching. So we just gonna go ahead and get into the video or whatever. But like and subscribe to my channel so you know when a bad bitch is posting. Period, bitch. Enough said. Let's get into it. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. I washed my face, all that good sheesh. Did that. So I'm just gonna tell y'all how I got my eyebrows and how I do my eyebrows. Don't come for me when I tell you how I do my eyebrows, bitch. Just don't. This is how I do my eyebrows, okay? Period, okay? In the color black. And I go in with a angle brush. Okay. And the concealer that I use is RK by Kisses. It's a beauty supply concealer, and it's called HD concealer and foundation, and it's in the color Toffee. So this is how it looks. So we're just gonna do that right there. Give my face some more moisturizer, I guess, moisture. Okay. So the color that I'm first I'm finna set my my lids. And I'm setting my lids with another beauty supply brand, same brand, Kisses Protouch setting powder, and it's in the color orange, and I got it. I don't know if y'all can see it. And this is how it looks. It's a beauty supply, so you can get it at the beauty supply. Most of my stuff, my makeup, I'm doing this YouTube stuff for I can update y'all on the looks and stuff. But most of my stuff already is mainly beauty supply, everything store bought, beauty supply, drugstore makeup. So everything for the low. So we just go ahead and set the whole lid like that. Cool. Like crayon palette, and we're just gonna go on top of the lid like this as my transition color.
Wake up in the morning, and yes, I am drinking wine. A bad bitch is drinking wine, bitch. Enough said.
Mainly I'm gonna be in this palette right here, so yeah, in the color black. And we're just gonna go right here on our crease. We're not gonna go pretty much too up, because when I blend it in, that's when I'm gonna go up, if you get what I'm saying. It might be boldy at first, but we gonna blend that in for sure. We gonna blend that in. So like I said, I'm just dabbing little dots right here for it can be a little darker. And we're just gonna go in and blend it like that. We're just gonna go in with the HD color, the HD concealer and foundation in the Arcade Kisses color Toffee, the same concealer. Then I'll go ahead and put a little dab on my hand. Yeah, and that's how I do it. And we're gonna go like this. Go on the sides like this. Okay, go on the sides like this and go to the point. Don't drag it all the way up. Really, I can't drag it all the way up because my scarf that I use to tie down my edges is blocking all the way up. Because you get flashback like that. I'm gonna show you not to get flashback. So you just basically do that. And that's how you do that. And all you gotta do, I go in with one of my brushes that I used to blend with or whatever. Got nothing on it. And just like pat it. Sorry, a bitch really needs to invest in a camera, like for real. So y'all get this to subscribing. Bitch can't even say it. Subscribe. Or bitch can go ahead and really get this camera. Even if y'all don't subscribe or whatever, or don't look at my videos or whatever, you hating ass bitches. Now let me just stop playing. But anyways, the bitch gonna still put out content. But you know what? Let's go ahead and give a review what the hell I've been doing, okay? Because my phone keep telling me I ain't got no much storage. And it's really pissing me off. But okay. So the foundation that I use is MAC. It's in Studio MAC color NC55, I think. MC55 Studio Fix. And I'm in between foundations or whatever because I don't know my true color, but this matte one that I'm using is really good. And it's kind of full coverage, not really full coverage like the lady told me, but she said it's full coverage, but it's really not. But whatever, that's that on that. Okay, so after that, my lashes don't come from me, poo. Don't know. I doubled them and I really don't know, but they're Beauty Supply. So I'm baking now. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm baking. And I'm baking with the concealer. A concealer. I went in and put on the concealer under my eyes with the one I've been using all throughout the video, color Toffee. And then I came in with the same Beauty Supply brand one in the color Natural Orange. Is a color corrector. And now I am baking with the Protouch that I use to not conceal my eyes, put on top of my eyes or whatever, in the color orange. And then I go in with this one too. I use 2 baking powders and I use this one too. There are all drugstore. You can buy them at the Beauty Supply. Most of this whole video stuff you can buy out the Beauty Supply. Like everything for the low, poo. The low. And now I was just, before my thing told me I was too full, I was doing this, contouring my nose. Y'all, I feel like I got a fat ass nose. Like, I don't even give a fuck. Y'all can come for me because I already know I got it. Like, bitch, I do. I know. So I got a fat ass nose, so I gotta contour my nose, poo. And I contour. What the fuck am I saying? Contour. And I don't have a contour palette. I use shoot, a brown color in the this bitch, period. Like so I just go right here. Girl really don't know what I'm doing, but bitch really be thinking she contouring something. Don't come for me if I'm not saying it right. I'm doing something new, y'all. Like, cause my picture I just posted up, I had a fat ass nose. Like, shit's not cute at all. So I'm going in with my beauty blender, and I'm going in with the with this one right here in the color Chestnut, and I'm finna put it right here. And what I contour with is in this palette right here. And I use the brown and the red because it makes this pretty color. It comes out to this pretty color. Y'all see it. Now we're gonna go ahead and press and sweep. And I go in with one of my Ulsa brushes that came in a little pack thing or whatever. It's probably like, bitch, you didn't even show us your brushes, all three things, so now you want to show us the brushes. But we're pressing and sweeping. And I'm going in with Royale True Color Blend, color C7. And we're just pressing and sweeping, taking off the baking powder, the powder that I baked with. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Okay, so like I said, I got this from Black Up Paris two-way cake. The color TW13 or D297. And I got this from Sephora and it was like $8. I had like a card or whatever and I got it or whatever for Christmas and I bought it. And it's mainly good. I like it or whatever. I like it.
The bitch is really just going through this first video, like for real, like I paid for the Apple 99 cents a month for extra space. Like why every 5 minutes I'm trying to do a video, you pop up full, you got too much stuff. Bitch, I barely got fucking apps on this damn phone. Like what the fuck, I didn't delete it. Instagram, I deleted everything. Like please stop coming for me.
Now I'm finna go in and do my contour again. Don't tell me, bitch, you already did it under there. I don't care. I'm going back in there and doing it. Period. And the nude one and the ruler one. And I'm gonna go in with these two beautiful brown colors. Don't come for me. I use this a lot. And I'm gonna go in with a brush that looks like this. So I make my own. Spray, setting spray, and yeah, setting spray. I make my own spray. Getting talk, that's what it is. And we're gonna spray that one too. And my highlighter is the Crayon from the Crayon case. This one I'm not, because it's broke, so that's all you will get. I'll just link it below. How I go in and do it. Oh, it's just tripping. I'm tripping. Okay. For I go in, this is an extra step. You ain't gotta do it. I like a brighter under eye. So I go in with the L'Oreal Paris True Matte Super Blendable, whatever. True Match in the N3 Natural Buff. And I'm going to go get that same brush that I pressed and soup with. And I'm gonna go under my eye like this just to make it brighter. You don't have to do it. I like a brighter under eye. Bitch really just be doing a lot, like, when it comes to this makeup. But less is more, like, period. Less is more. Less is more. Whatever. You get what I'm saying. This stuff really be coming on, like, for real. Like, this. See how dark that just came out like that? Like, that's really too fucking dark. Like, I don't know what the fuck I was doing right there. But I lightly go on this. I'm like, this is how I do it on, like, how I'm doing this side, that's how I do it. Like, I don't know what I was doing on that other side. Like, it's really wanna glow, I guess. So. Just blend that out, because that was too much, like, bitch. Yeah, that was too fucking much. I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna do it in different places. I'm gonna show y'all right now if I find the brush. Okay, right here at the top of my nose, like Rudolph. And I have black on here, so it's really just fucking fucked. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Like, I'm really fucking up. Like, Pooh, you knew you ain't supposed to go in with that color because you knew you had black in there. That's why I was fucking up. But like, it's really trying to hurry up before this thing say full memory. But yeah, going like that. And if you want to be a real, go up here. And I go at the bottom. A bitch really just be glowing out here, like, no cap.